Several Indian media websites have reported that the US government has formally published federal notification for the sale of 8 F-16 fighter jets to Pakistan worth $700 million. The news about the proposed sale of 8 more F-16 fighter jets to Pakistan is from the year 2015, and even the officials mentioned in the new media report had retired in 2017. The new federal notification issued by US government in January 2021 is not about sale of F-16 fighter jets, and is related to the development, integration, testing and delivery of Joint Mission Planning System and Mission Planning Environment software updates to several countries including Pakistan, and this work is expected to be completed by 2029. Diplomatic sources have said that another media report about Pakistan getting a blank check from Russia is also a false propaganda, and several people have fallen in the trap of this fake news campaign. As we reported earlier, that the Aeronautical Development Agency has been working on 2 design concepts of twin-engine deck-based fighter jet, and as per latest reports, the Navy has selected the design that was showcased at the Aero India 2021, and the Aeronautical Development Agency has also started wind tunnel testing of scale model of twin-engine deck-based fighter jet, so that it can be further refined to shape the final design of the aircraft. TED-BF designers have borrowed a lot of stealth technologies from the 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet, but it will be classified as 4.5++ generation fighter, as it will not have internal weapons bay. The Aeronautical Development Agency has also issued a tender for the work package for harness routing of NP5 Naval Tejas fighter jet, and this production variant aircraft will conduct its first flight next month, and will act as a testbed for the development of the twin-engine deck-based fighter, by carrying out off-nominal landing trials to study and collect data on the stress points on the landing gears for the TED-BF program. Clarifying the long-standing rumor about India's possible acquisition of American F-35 fighter jets, the Chief of Defense Staff has said that the US government has never offered the F-35 fighters to India, and chances are that the US will not share this technology with India, and has instead offered the F-16. He also said that the F-35 is a very capable fighter jet, and the Indian Air Force is still exploring its fighter jet options. The Indian Air Force is all set to start the 4,000 crore rupees proposal to upgrade 17 IL-76 heavy lift aircraft, which are due for major overhauls and modernization with new engines and avionics, along with a plan to replace the older units that are suffering from low availability due to poor availability of spares. The IL-76 has an average serviceability of only 38%, while the 11 C-17 aircraft operated by the Indian Air Force has an average serviceability of around 100%. The Indian Air Force had planned to procure more C-17 aircraft from US Air Force, but the plan could not materialize due to lack of spare C-17 units with the US Air Force. The Indian Army is looking for Indian partners to develop an advanced protection and countermeasure system for T-90 tanks, and the Army has an initial requirement of more than 800 protection systems, while the total requirement can increase to 2,000 systems. The Defence Acquisition Council has already cleared active protection systems worth 5,300 crore rupees under Make in India, in which the combat-proven Trophy Active Protective System of the Israeli firm Rafael Advanced Defense Systems is seen as the top contender, and the trophy can be built in India in partnership with Kalyani Group. The Indian Army has issued an expression of interest for the procurement of portable helipad under Make 2 category, and the Indian vendors meeting the technical, commercial and project requirements will be issued a project sanction order to develop a prototype. The size of the portable helipad varies from 25 by 25 meters to 100 by 100 meters, and these portable helipads will provide tactical flexibility and better logistic support in heliborne operations.
Attention.